Hi everyone, so today I thought I would film a day in my life video because I was kind of stuck for video ideas, to be honest, and I had a few things to get through and some things to show you. So I decided to vlog my day and show you what I got up to.
So for example, to Google is
Google.
Google. You put a face, but how do you say that in Spanish? Of course.
So I feel like I haven't really given you an update on what I've been doing, but it's just because I've been working. I had breakfast earlier, I was going to film it, I forgot, I just had cereal, it wasn't anything exciting. But since then I've just been working. It's 2 o'clock now, which means it's time for my lunch break. I'm at a point with my work where I can stop working for a little bit. I'm going to go downstairs, make lunch, and I'll probably do some cleaning while I'm down there as well. On the topic of cleaning, I'm actually really excited because all the products I'm using in this video for cleaning are by a company called Small. They have kindly gifted me a starter bundle with some laundry capsules, dishwasher capsules, fabric softener and some cleaning spray. They're a subscription-based company and I always used to use their products throughout university. Everything is vegan, cruelty-free, the packaging is plastic-free, and it's also recyclable and in some cases I think compostable. So if you would like to give them a go, try them out, you can use my discount code. Using my discount code Amalia15 will get you a cheeky free trial for their laundry capsules and the dishwasher tablets. And it will also give you a further 15% off any additional purchases you make in your first 2 orders. I will leave a link in the description as well and you can just go and check them out. But yeah, thank you very much to Small for sending me over the products. I'm super excited to use them, and there's some new stuff in there that I haven't tried before. But I can already say I absolutely love the laundry capsules. I used to use them all the time as a student. I'm having Thai curry for lunch. I promise I have more than Thai curry. I feel like every video recently I've done, I've eaten Thai curry for lunch. I promise I ate more than just Thai curry and rice. I just really like Thai curry and I had some in the freezer and I can't bother to make anything else, to be honest. I've also got quite a big portion, I'm not gonna lie. It's bigger than I normally have. I've finished working now and quite honestly I don't know what to do with myself. I feel like I want to go out maybe? Not got much that's exciting to do. I'll probably just work through my to-do list because yeah, I've got a lot to do that I've been putting off. I've got to do some French. I did some French this morning as you saw, but I need to watch some like French YouTube or something like that. It shouldn't take too long, probably about 20 minutes. I've decided I am going to attempt to make a cake. I saw this recipe on TikTok for a vegan cake that I wanted to try. I tried it a few weeks ago but I messed it up completely because I forgot to put oil in the cake and it just wasn't it. So I'm going to give it another go. So in this bowl I've got 250 ml of water. I'm going to add a tablespoon of vinegar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next up I need 180 grams of plain flour and 200 grams of sugar. Okay, so we need 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. I'm going to do 2 half teaspoons because I used up my teaspoon for the vanilla extract and I cannot be bothered to wash it off. Half a teaspoon of salt and then 30 grams of cocoa powder. As you can see, I've mixed together my dry ingredient. I'm now about to add my olive oil. And then I'm also going to add all the other ingredients that I mixed together before. Time to mix, that looks disgusting. Okay, let's put it in the oven. Okay, so I've put the cake in the oven for 30 minutes at 160 degrees on fan. And I'm now going to clean up while I wait. I just went upstairs to get my headphones laptop. What is that? What is it? Hard drive, charger and everything so that I can edit this video while I wait for the cake. This video is going live tomorrow and it's Friday evening. I haven't edited it yet, haven't even started editing it, so I'm just going to save some time and do that while I'm waiting for the cake. Okay, so the cake's out the oven. It's quite warm, so I'm going to let it cool down. Okay, so it fell apart and it's disgusting. I don't know if it's the recipe or if it's me. I've tried this recipe twice and it just doesn't go well. But it's fallen apart and I don't like how it tastes. So it doesn't taste disgusting. The recipe said to have it on 160 degrees for 30 minutes. I left it in there for 35 minutes. I did the trick with the knife. It came out clear and everything. And it's just horrible. So I don't know if it's me. Or I don't know if it's the recipe. That is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. I know it's a little bit shorter than usual, but if you'd like to see more videos, I would definitely recommend checking out this one next. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!